car. 3,000 RPM, 55, 60. top. It's your rain cover, racer cover, whatever you want to call it. And here's some old parts, new parts, mix the stuff in boxes. Original documentation. Tons and tons of receipts here. Done by Custom Joe's here. That's our body shop. Frankman's Customs. And just a good amount of receipts here. I'll have those all scanned in on the website. And I'll put a couple in the photo set on the website as well for you. Armrest, reflectors, U-joints, yoke, mirror, U-bolts, armrests. All right, 1971. MGB, fully restored, very, very nicely done car. British Racing green with, you know, peanut butter, cognac, leather interior. Gorgeous, very nicely done car. Go left to right, functionality, then we'll go for a ride. So these are your park lights, headlights, and then off. Don't know if this is high beam or not. This is your choke, what I believe. Signals, left, indicator works, right, indicator works. Manual steering. Wipers push into wash. We've got the 3 wipers displayed here, or down to turn on low constant, down once more for fast constant, push into wash. No fluid, it looks like. This is your HVAC control. Currently it's off. This is fan on, fan off. Now it's on the interior. And as you go, it moves the door, and then you have defrost mode. That's like a choke right there. Dimmer switch or dimmer light control for your gauges. Back to your feet, your interior mode, and then off. Radio works. Hazard switch right here too. Does not appear to be working. Radio does work.
In the middle of an amazing we have our at Dell.com/deals. That's Dell.
Single speaker right between the driver and passenger. Very good sound. Awesome. That is it. There is a cubby over there for all your paperwork, insurance, documentation, stuff like that. Cut something out. People usually put a radio here, or more gauges, but nothing here yet. Ashtray, good shape. Console in good shape. Got an MG shifter if you'd rather. This wood one does feel pretty good in your hand. We have shoulder belts in here. Good safety upgrade. Cam style seatbelt. You can just tighten it there. Works good. We'll keep it on. Feels nice. Not too restrictive. Alright. Visors, good shape. Top is in good shape. I'm not driving with the top up. One, about 85 degrees, and two, I think your guys' shot would be cut off severely. Cut off severely. Gauges are all working, showing good. Just about 3/4 tank of fuel, 1800 RPM, 50 pounds of oil, 20 miles an hour in second gear, holding us as we cruise down this hill. Temp right in the middle, just under nominal. Little 4-cylinder, straight 4. These are very fun, little torquey motors. Jump on the highway for a brief second. Alright, here we go. There we are. 3,000 RPM, 55, 60. Suspension's very nice. No clunks or bangs or anything like that. Very comfortable ride. I think your high beam switch is right here on the turn signal stock. Brakes come in nice and strong. All gears are synchronized. There's a reason people love these cars. They are just so fun to drive. Alright, you guys, well, check it out, frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, give us a call, or hit the I'm interested button on the website. Head on over to YouTube, give me a like, subscribe, and follow. If you're already there, leave a comment, watch another video, stuff like that. See you guys next time. I think it's a 70s Cadillac tomorrow, but I'll have to take a look and see what details working on for me. Alright guys, see you later. Thank you. Bye.